What is a stablecoin? The definition. A stablecoin is a digital currency that is linked to a stable reserve value, such as the US dollar or gold. Stablecoins are used to reduce volatility in relation to uncoupled cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. So, what do stablecoins do? Stablecoins act as a bridge between cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, as the price of stablecoins is linked to reserve values such as fiat currencies or gold. This greatly reduces volatility compared to Bitcoin, for example, and results in a form of digital money that is better suited for many things, from daily trading transactions to transfers between exchanges. This coupling of the stability of traditional assets with the flexibility of digital assets has proven extremely popular. Billions of dollars have already flowed into stablecoins like USD Coin, USDC. They are now one of the most popular ways to store and trade assets in the crypto ecosystem. Why are stablecoins important? The USDC stablecoin, for example, is fully covered and can be exchanged for US dollars at a ratio of 1:1 via platforms such as Coinbase and Circle. Like many other stablecoins, USDC currently operates on the Ethereum blockchain. Stablecoins are free from the volatility of uncoupled cryptocurrencies, but at the same time have retained some of the most important properties of cryptocurrencies. Stablecoins are open, global, and accessible to everyone on the internet around the clock. They are quick, inexpensive, and can be transferred securely. They are digitally native and programmable on the internet. What are stablecoins used for? Minimize volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ether fluctuates very strongly, sometimes from one minute to the next. An asset pegged to a more stable currency can give buyers and sellers the peace of mind that the value of their tokens will not suddenly rise or fall sharply. Trade or save assets. You don't need a bank account to hold stablecoins, and they are easily transferable. The value of stablecoins can be easily transferred around the world, including places where US dollars can be difficult to get hold of or where the local currency is unstable. Earning interest. There are simple ways to get interest on a stablecoin investment, usually higher than a bank would offer. Transfer inexpensive money. $1 million worth of USDC has been transferred with a transfer fee of less than $1. Transfer internationally. Fast processing and low transaction fees make stablecoins like USDC a great choice for transferring money anywhere in the world. How does it work? Stablecoins are cryptocurrency tokens. They are therefore all executed on a blockchain, mostly on Ethereum. To ensure stability, they must be backed either by an asset of recognized value or by a loan approval from a highly reliable and trustworthy source. For example, the value of USD Coin, USDC, should stay as close as possible to $1. It is covered by actual US dollars held with financial institutions. Monthly checks ensure that these US dollars have actually been deposited to ensure the 1:1 ratio. Not all stablecoins are fully backed by fiat currencies or commodities, such as gold. Some are even backed by other cryptocurrencies. However, if you think about investing, it is still crucial that you do your own research. Many of these stablecoins continue to be traded frequently and there are many opportunities.